Okay, so today we're going to learn how to move off from the side of the road. Really important topic, underestimated I would say by many people. It's something that on the test you get tested on multiple times, so you'll be asked to do uphill starts, downhill from behind a parked car. You'll be pulled over and then asked to drive off again whilst they set the sat nav up. It might be done on a busy road. You might just want to take a breather. It's also something that you will do every time you drive off. It's incredibly dangerous. So moving off at the correct time is really important. Getting the timing wrong can have bad consequences. Observation, signal, preparation is where we're going to prepare the car, get the clutch down, select the gear. I'm just going to make sure everything's secure. I've got my seatbelt on. I'm going to turn the left blind spot, left mirror, front window, and the main mirror. Those two can be swapped around. It doesn't really matter as long as they're done. There's a bus coming towards me in a second. Right mirror, right blind spot. Everything's safe. I'm going to signal. And I'm going to release the handbrake. I'm going to keep checking the road away from the curb and back to straight. Really important now once you start. Handbrake. This shows why you should always check your mirrors and signal just before going off. If it's not safe,